Come and label a plant cell with me. How many of these parts of the plant cell do you know? Make sure you save this video so that you can use it later for your own revision. Let's start off by labeling our cell wall. Now, that plant cell wall is made of cellulose, that polymer of beta-glucose. Inside the cell wall, we have our cell membrane. Our next part to label, we're going to jump over here to our nucleus. Now, our nucleus has lots of different parts to it. We've got our nucleolus. We have our nuclear membrane. And then we also have our nuclear pores, those little gaps within that double membrane. Let's move on to our rough endoplasmic reticulum now. We can recognize that as our rough ER because of the ribosomes on the surface. Then we've got our smooth ER here. Then let's go to our free-floating ribosomes within the cytoplasm. So we have our ribosomes. We have our Golgi body and our Golgi vesicles next to the Golgi body. Let's label our cytoplasm. What else have we got? We've also got a microtubule here. We can also then label our mitochondria. We can recognize our mitochondria here because they have the cristae inside them. And we can also then label our chloroplasts. Running out of space now. And we can recognize this as our chloroplast because of those stacked thylakoid membranes, also known as our grana. Once we've labeled our chloroplast, we can then think about our vacuole in the middle here. And the membrane of that vacuole is our tonoplast. And then finally, we also have the kind of boundaries, the junctions between plant cells. And those are some special adaptations that we need to know as well. So this kind of layer between the plant cells here is our middle lamella. And then we also have the gap between the plant cells where plants can pass ions and other solutes between the different cells. That is our plasmodesmata. So how many of those did you know? Make sure you follow to see my video where I'm going to label a prokaryotic cell